as you can see, I'm logged in into my Google Ads account right now. And I want to show you a quick case study of how we took a campaign brand new from zero, from scratch, to producing over almost $900 in one day. Well, we're basically 3Xing what we're spending. So let me show you right now. So I launched this campaign, I want to say to the 25th. So as you can see, this is real time. Okay. And I'm going to click apply. And now you'll see this data actually pulling in for this particular campaign. Now, we started this campaign at about $50 per day. So I use a simple 4-step process that we use to launch campaigns. Out of the gate, we was able to more than double what we put in. That was the first signal that I knew I might be on to something. But here's what happened and where a lot of people, go wrong. For the next few days, as you can see, no conversions were happening until maybe like 4 or 5 days later, when I'm about to break even again. Most people would have killed this campaign by now because they would have overreacted. But because I know, based on the signal that it gave me, I knew that I was going to be able to allow this campaign some time so that I can then be able to kind of scale. So what happened from there is, we ended up having a 4X day, but we probably like 6 days out by now, and it took a while to get here. But now I put 50-something dollars in and we more than quadrupled. And that was the signal that I needed. It was like, okay, it's time for me to start working on scaling this puppy. So, the next day we had a double. Then I boosted the budget. I doubled the budget. And now we are starting to get, not quite a double, but we're getting a really good return. And that's like, okay, cool. And so what happens is I let that run a few days. Here go another double. And then I doubled the budget again. And we still doubled. Okay. So now this thing is starting to run. It's starting to produce. As you can see, here go another day and another day and another day. Then we had a big drop off. Not a huge drop off, but I knew it was like, you know what? I had this little limited by budget thing pop up. I could probably really scale this campaign. So that's when I doubled the budget again. And as you can see, not quite a double, but now it's starting to like catch the groove of things. And then on the next day, we have not really a double, but a good return. And then boom, we produce over $800 from less than $300. And now this campaign is off to the races. So you can see down here, my average cost per view, is about 5 cents. So far, we've put in about 25, right under $2,600 and produced over $4,700. So that is pretty much this quick little case study I wanted to share with you. So hopefully you enjoyed this little case study. I'm Tommy, and I will see you on the flip side.